outside it is sunny day. Okay class, today our topic is introduction of letter J. Introduction of letter J. Now look at this letter. This is capital J. Capital J, small j. Now we will learn what is the sound of J. J says J. J says J. J, jug. Read with me. J, jug. Now we will learn how to write capital J and small j. Take your pencils and start writing with me. Put your pencil at the top. Make a standing line reaching the downward and draw a backward curve. Good. Now put your pencil at the top and draw a sloping line. Now write small j with me. Put your pencil at the middle and start writing a standing line reaching to the bottom and make a backward curve. And draw a small dot on the top.